If you want to learn how you can golf for good in a really special event coming in September, we have our friends on deck this morning from Volunteers in Medicine and Project Access, Kevin Lusk and Joel Henderson, to tell us all about it. Thank you guys for making the time to be here this morning.
Thanks for having us.
So we talked to you guys a little bit in the past about this, but for people who've missed it or might just need a refresher about what this Golf for Good tournament is, give me all the details that we need to know.
We'll be at September 12th at Brown Acres, and it's a fundraiser for both Project Access and Volunteers in Medicine. And I'm happy to say our morning sessions are completely sold out.
Wow.
And our afternoon session only has about 3 teams left. So this is our 4th year we've done this.
I think so.
And in the past, both organizations have had our own half-day golf tournament, and we thought, we have similar missions, we serve the same patients. Let's come together and do one full day tournament that benefits both organizations and just have a great time.
That's amazing. And for people that don't know, you guys really kind of work in tandem together, and that's sort of like a seamless patient base. Is that correct?
We try.
Yeah.
Being that we serve the same patients, uninsured adults who have nowhere else to go for care. We're primary care, working with Project Access, which is specialty care. And imagine if you haven't been to see a doctor in 10 years.
Yeah.
All our volunteer providers say, where do we start? So we try to, establish through their chronic health conditions and then refer them once again in that seamless partnership with Project Access. Also, I think what's important is about that seamless is we have the same criteria. So once you go through the application process, the criteria to be a patient, most likely you'll also be a patient with Project Access.
Pretty neat. So there's not so much just headache of having to fill out so many different forms and things.
Exactly.
It's like you guys are really working together.
And we share, if the patient goes to Volunteers in Medicine and whatever they're treated for, they send us the records. We make sure, all HIPAA compliant, of course.
Yeah, sure.
We make sure that that we match a specialty care physician in our community at one of our local hospital facilities. Make sure that hospital partners make sure that they get the care they need, and then when they're well enough to go back to primary care, we send them back to Volunteers in Medicine, and hopefully they won't need to come back to us and they can stay at Volunteers in Medicine.
Absolutely.
And why we do fundraising, so our patients are never asked, how will you pay for your care today? Some people say that sounds too good when you use the word free, but if you, once again, are established as a patient, you'll never have to pay for the care you receive.
That really is amazing, and you guys are doing so much good just in our community, and I know have helped out so many patients just across our viewing area. Tell me how, and this is kind of like a fun way for you to be able to meet them where they are and go to a golf tournament, because even if people don't play golf, I mean, it's something that you're probably not every day going to get to golf with your physician or your primary caregiver. So, I mean, tell me a little bit about what you guys are excited to see for this event.
The great thing about this tournament is everyone from the community is there. We have our doctors, we have our hospital administrators, we have our practice managers, but we also have the volunteer physicians that have retired that are now giving back in Volunteers in Medicine or serve on our board at Project Access. We have patients that come back and play this as a way to say thank you. We have family members of patients that buy teams because they're able to, and this is just one small way they can give back for thanking us for helping treating their family member.
That is so amazing, and I think that's also a good thing, because obviously a lot of the times patients see you, they're probably not feeling the best. If it's specialty care, it probably is something way more serious. So something that can really de-stress, knowing that it's going for a good cause, but also getting to go play some golf, even if you're not that great at it. You can still have a lot of fun, I think. So tell me again, as we're wrapping things up, what you guys want people to know before they head out there and how they can secure their tickets for it.
Sure. So it is Friday, September the 12th at Brown Acres, which is lovely for a local place, that public-private partnership, to come out and really enjoy and celebrate and support 2 organizations with aligned missions.
That's amazing.
And they can go to setnprojectaccess.org or
vim-chatt.org.
All those links will be available online as well. We'll keep you up to date right here on News 12. Thank you guys again for coming this morning and just giving us more of an overview. Remember, spots are filling up fast. It's going to be afternoon. Morning's already booked, which is amazing, but you need to go ahead and book while you can, because September will be here before we know it.
That's right.
September 12th, it's going to be right around the corner. We'll keep you up to date right here on News 12 with more links available on our website at WDEF.com. Learn more about Golf for Good and how you can be a part of it. Stay with us. You're watching News 12 this morning. This is The Place.